Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to create and use system restore point on your Windows 11. So for this guys, please watch this video till end very carefully. Okay, so let's get started. So first you need to press Windows key button and here you need to type create a restore point like this. Just open this. Okay, first you need to turn on the restore point on your Windows 11. So just for this guys, you need to select C drive from here like this and click on configure. Okay, now here you need to select turn on system protection. Just you need to select this option, click on apply and click on OK. That's it. Now once again select C drive and click on create. Now you need to give your restore point name which you want to create. For example, I am giving tech like this. After this guys, just click on create. Now it will take some time to create a restore point on your PC. As you can see guys, I think it will take 10 to 15 seconds to create a restore point on your PC. So don't disturb your PC, wait for few seconds till the process was completed. So as you can see guys, after the process completed, you can get this type of interface. The restore point was created successfully. Now you need to close this. That's it. So after this guys, now if you want to use your created restore point on your Windows 11, so same thing, press Windows key button and here you need to search create a restore point like this. You need to search and open the system restore point on your PC. After this guys, here you need to select system restore. Just select this option and here click on next. Now here you need to select choose a different restore point like this and click on next, and here you will get your created restore point. As you can see, just select your created restore point and click on next and click on finish. That's it. So this is the easy and simple method to create and use system restore point on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.